how to find a limit, how to take a derivative, what is an antiderivative, how far is infinity, and how the heck do I do these things? To find out the answers to these very intriguing questions, all you have to do is pay the price of your whole senior year, taking AP Calculus, Mr. Scott. I would greatly recommend this product.
Yeah.
I guess calculus is a really difficult math that Mr. Scott teaches that I don't really want to take.
Wait, am I answering? Oh, calculus is math. It has to do with numbers.
Wait, do I feed my teeth? Oh.
No, you're fine, you're fine.
I don't know what calculus is. Yeah. Something about proving proofs or something like that. And it takes a long time. I don't know.
3, go.
Calculus was originated by a really smart person a long time ago.
So I wouldn't know. I don't really care. Anyways, next question.
Alright, what are the origins of calculus?
Like I would know. Next question.
Alright, go.
What do you I don't know.
What is the origin of
What is the origin of calculus?
You can't ask me, you gotta answer it. Go for
Hey,
it.
Jim. I don't know.
Do you know what it is?
The origin, like where it originated?
Or
In the beginning of time?
God.
Are you going to ask me a question, or am I just going to start talking?
You can start talking.
Calculus is basically just the mathematical study of change. And the origins of calculus can be traced back to Sir Isaac Newton and Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. And if you would like more information on either of those two guys, please see Garrett Clark and Weston Gray.
Do you really want to be like those people? Let's see what our consumers have to say.
Oh, hey. Yeah, my AP Calculus, it's been a great experience this year. I mean, I've gotten a lot done, and a lot out of it as far as learning a lot. You know, I know how to do all sorts of functions, limits, integrals, derivatives, stuff like that. I plan to go to Clemson and become an engineer, and so it's really going to help with my career as far as, you know, making college math become a lot easier for me. And plus, I've had a great teacher, Mr. Scott. He's taught me well, and I know he'll be better than a lot of my college professors. So there's really a lot to offer here. I definitely encourage anybody to take on this challenge because it has a lot of great rewards and benefits.
3.
Alright, my personal experience with calculus has been a great one. It has challenged me in many different ways. I've learned how to find a derivative, find a limit. It's also challenged me to think outside the box and just make more use of my time. I'm planning on being an athletic trainer, so I'm not exactly sure how it's going to help me in the future, other than I will have already seen the first semester of my AP Calculus course. But I would encourage all pre-cal students to take calculus if they wanted a challenge, or if they wanted to know how to do problems that are like this big and cover 3 of Mr. Scott's sliding whiteboard things. I would encourage them to do it because it's a great class and you have an amazing teacher who really knows his stuff, and he'll help you every single step of the way.
What do I get out of calculus, you might ask? Well, the truth is, I really enjoyed the feeling of accomplishment once I solved one of those really long, confusing, and complicated problems that cover 2 Mr. Scott's boards. The feeling that comes along with this is being able to do problems that most people have absolutely no idea how to do. For example, I can go up to one of my Robin Stats friends and be like, hey, you there, you see this really complicated curve that goes up and down multiple times? And they just look at it, and I go, well, I can solve for the area under that curve. And they sit there in utter disbelief, their jaw drops, and they have no idea how I can do that. And I go, yeah, that's right. It's thanks to my advanced calculus knowledge.
So why should you take calculus? Well, first, it's a really interesting, challenging class, learning about derivatives, integrals, all this stuff, ways to apply pre-cal. Besides that, it's really good for college, as it makes you more prepared and gives you some credits for college as well, being this AP. Really good teacher, she's got.
Calculus is a really great course, and if all this information still does not convince you to take it, we're going to throw in this bonus calculus snuggie. It's a vintage edition, and it's normally $19.99, but if you just sign up and take the class, we'll throw it in free. Did you hear me? Free. It's a great deal. And for more information on this deal, all you need to do is call 864-616-5960. I'll say that number again, 864-616-5960. Please sign up. You won't regret it.